Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering MoonLake Immunotherapeutics, ticker MLTX, a clinical stage biotechnology company advancing sonelokimab, a novel tri-specific nanobody targeting IL-17 for inflammatory diseases. As of mid-morning trading on January 5th, 2026, MLTX is at $61.78, up 3.7% on strong volume and extending recent gains. The move higher reflects continued optimism around sonelokimab's development. MoonLake recently announced full enrollment in its second phase 3 trial for hidradenitis suppurativa, with top-line data anticipated in late 2026. Positive long-term extension data presented at a major dermatology conference further bolstered confidence in the drug's best-in-class potential versus existing IL-17 inhibitors. For MLTX holders, upcoming catalysts center on phase 3 readouts and potential regulatory submissions. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If this update was useful, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock insights, and comment your next ticker below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.